would like to thank God for all the blessings na patuloy niyo pong pinagkakaloob sa buong pamilya po namin. Especially po sa pagbibigay ni Lord sa aming baby twins na si Lucas and Luis. So we're really blessed po dahil hindi lang po isa kundi dalawa po yung binigay ni Lord sa amin. Very happy and napaka-pogi po mga baby. So thank you Lord for everything. To Lucas and Luis naman, happy first birthday mga anak. Wish namin ni Mami sa inyo ay happiness, good health, and always be kind-hearted and good people. Good health and always be kind-hearted and good people. Mahal na mahal namin kayo ni Mami mga anak. Lagi kaming nandito para sa inyo. So, yun lang po. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. God bless us all po.
Our party is now open. Siyempre, bago tayo mag-start ng ating mga follow games, kaya mas maganda, birthday song. Ayan, yung ating kambal. Alright. Siyempre, kung sino yung pinakamalakas kumanta,
mahal na mahal namin kayo ni Mami mga anak.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Birthday to you, birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright, one more, clap your hands. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you po sa pag-attend ng celebration ng aming baby kambal. Really appreciate po yung time and effort nyo po to celebrate this very special moment with us.